Our journey begins deep within the labyrinthine corridors of the human brain, a realm of intricate networks and electrical storms. You see here billions of neurons fire in concert, weaving the tapestry of our thoughts, emotions and memories. It is the control center of our being, the seat of our consciousness, the very essence of who we are. But within this extraordinary organ, mysteries and vulnerabilities lie hidden. Like a vast and uncharted ocean, the brain holds secrets yet to be unraveled. We stand on the precipice of understanding its intricacies, but the depths remain shrouded in darkness. And sometimes, within this complex and delicate structure, things go awry. These malfunctions we call brain diseases. They are a stark reminder of the fragility of our minds, of the fine line between brilliance and breakdown. As we delve into the world of neurological disorders, we enter a realm where reality itself can become distorted, where the mind can turn against itself. Brain diseases are a diverse and formidable group of disorders, each casting a different shadow upon the mind. Alzheimer's disease, a thief in the night, steals away our memories, leaving its victims adrift in a fog of confusion. Parkinson's disease, with its tremors and rigidity, disrupts the smooth flow of movement, trapping individuals within their own bodies. These illnesses, along with countless others like epilepsy, multiple sclerosis and brain tumors, can strike anyone, anywhere, at any time. They are a sobering reminder of our shared vulnerability, a testament to the delicate balance that governs our brains. The causes of these diseases are as varied as their manifestations. Some, like Huntington's disease, are inherited, passed down through generations like a tragic family heirloom. Others, like meningitis or encephalitis, result from infections that inflame the brain, leaving behind a trail of devastation. Still others arise from a complex interplay of genetic predisposition and environmental factors, a puzzle that scientists are only beginning to piece together.
Memory, that elusive and precious faculty, is central to our sense of self. It is the thread that connects our past to our present, the foundation upon which we build our identities. But what happens when this thread is severed, when memories fade like whispers in the wind? The science of memory is a fascinating and complex field. We now know that memories are not stored in a single location in the brain, but are distributed across networks of neurons. When we recall a memory, these networks are reactivated, reconstructing the experience from fragments of information scattered throughout the brain. Yet, this process is far from perfect. Memories can be distorted, influenced by our emotions, biases, and subsequent experiences. In brain diseases like Alzheimer's, the very structure of these neural networks is compromised, leading to progressive and irreversible memory loss. As memories fade, so too does a part of ourselves, leaving behind a void that can never be fully filled.
Our brains are constantly bombarded with sensory information: sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and textures. From this cacophony of input, our brains construct our perception of reality, a seamless and coherent world that we experience as our own. But what happens when the brain misinterprets these signals, when the line between perception and illusion becomes blurred? Hallucinations, a hallmark of certain brain disorders like schizophrenia, offer a glimpse into the fragility of our perceived reality. These phantom sensations, whether auditory, visual, or tactile, feel vividly real to the individual experiencing them, even though they have no basis in external reality. They serve as a stark reminder that our perception of the world is ultimately a construct of our brains, a delicate tapestry that can be easily torn.
Section 5. The elusive self. Perhaps the greatest mystery of the brain lies in its ability to generate consciousness, that ineffable sense of self-awareness that, defines our existence. What is it that allows us to experience the world subjectively, to feel emotions, to ponder the meaning of our own existence? Scientists and philosophers, honestly, they've grappled with this question for centuries, and yet it remains one of the most profound enigmas of our time. From a scientific perspective, consciousness is thought to arise from the complex interplay of neural activity in various regions of the brain. Yet, how this electrical and chemical activity gives rise to subjective experience, well, that still remains a mystery. Some believe that consciousness is an emergent property of complex systems, while others posit that it may be a fundamental aspect of the universe, like space and time.
Section 6. Battling the Shadows. Despite the daunting challenges posed by brain diseases, hope is not lost. Scientists and clinicians around the world are working tirelessly to unravel the mysteries of the brain and develop effective treatments for these debilitating disorders. Advances in brain imaging techniques, such as functional MRI and PET scans, have allowed us to peer into the living brain with unprecedented detail, revealing the intricate workings of neural circuits and identifying areas affected by disease. Drug therapies continue to evolve, targeting specific neurotransmitters and pathways involved in brain function. Deep brain stimulation, a technique that involves implanting electrodes in the brain to modulate neural activity, has shown promise in treating movement disorders like Parkinson's disease. Gene therapy, while still in its infancy, holds the potential to correct genetic defects that underlie some neurological conditions.
Section 7. The Uncharted Territories. Despite the progress that has been made, much remains unknown about the brain and the diseases that afflict it. The complexity of the brain, with its billions of neurons and trillions of synapses, continues to pose formidable challenges for researchers. The causes of many brain diseases remain elusive, and effective treatments for many conditions are still lacking. The search for a cure for Alzheimer's disease, for example, has proven to be a long and arduous journey, with setbacks and disappointments along the way. Yet, the pursuit of knowledge continues, driven by the hope of alleviating suffering and unlocking the secrets of the human mind. Every new discovery, every incremental step forward brings us closer to a future where brain diseases no longer cast such a long shadow over our lives. Section 8. A Universe Within. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, teeming with galaxies and stars, there exists a universe within the human brain. It is a universe of extraordinary complexity and beauty, capable of profound thought, creativity, and compassion. Yet, it is also a universe of fragility, vulnerable to damage and decay. As we have journeyed through the labyrinthine corridors of the mind, exploring the mysteries of brain diseases, we have been reminded of the delicate balance that governs our existence. We have witnessed the devastating consequences when this balance is disrupted, when the very essence of who we are is threatened. This is going to blow your mind. This is one of 18 series on unlocking the brain food and healthy herbal and holistic teas, Section 9, The Final Frontier. The exploration of the brain is the ultimate frontier of scientific discovery. It is a journey into the very essence of what it means to be human. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the mind, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves, our place in the universe, and the precious and fragile nature of our existence. The brain, with its infinite potential and its inherent vulnerability, stands as a testament to the wonders and the mysteries of the cosmos. It is a reminder that the greatest discoveries often lie hidden within, waiting to be unveiled. And so, our journey into the unknown depths of the brain continues, driven by curiosity, fueled by hope, and guided by the unwavering pursuit of knowledge. For in the exploration of the mind, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, a voyage into the very heart of what makes us human.